Interviews. It's not about the questions companies ask. If 10 people interview, they all have to prepare. They all have to answer the same questions. This is where I want you to focus on. If you apply together with another 50 candidates and you all have a similar experience and you all answer the same questions, why would they choose you for the job? If everyone is qualified, what can you do so they choose you? The sad reality is that most of you watching this right now are going to say, cool bro, and move on. And that's precisely why this works so well. It takes work and most people are not willing to do it. If you already have experience building things relevant to the position you want to get, you need to tell that story. This is probably not for you. If you are starting out, however, no relevant experience and very little to show, this is it. This is for you. First, pick a problem. You don't need to be original, but try to make it interesting. For example, an object detection model that finds people in pictures, or a text classifier that extracts relevant data from a job description. It doesn't really matter. You don't need to get fancy. You want to keep it simple. Second, you'll build a model. This is important. Take your time. Again, don't worry about how many others have solved this problem before. Focus on your solution. Third, wrap an API around that model. Your goal is to get data in and out of the model. You can use Flask, Fast API, Django, Node, whatever. I don't care. Don't spend more than 1, 2, or 3 days on this. Fourth, build a simple app. Build a simple interface. Your goal is to let other people use your model. A website, a script, a desktop app, it doesn't matter. Build something that you can share and people can use. Fifth, document the process. Right now, development is done. The hard part is over. Now it's time to write about it. This is very important. Document the whole process. Everything you did, how it works, what decisions you made, and why. A couple things will happen when you do this. You'll realize where you need to put more time, and you'll learn how to effectively communicate what you just did. If you stop right now, if you only do the first 5 steps, I promise you'll be at the top of the list. Most people are lazy. They show up talking, but never bring anything to show other than the resume. The system you built will be an immediate validation of your skills. That will set you apart. But, if you want to take it to a whole new level, there are 2 more steps, bonus steps. First, actually it's number 6, build a retraining pipeline. Sounds fancy, here's what I mean. Your app collects data from people using it. Build an option where you turn that data into training data. And think about a process to retrain your model automatically with that data. How would you do that? Depending on the problem your model solves, this might be a little bit hard to do, to automate, but even if you don't build it, design the process and write about it. You can talk about this during the interview. You can show that you thought about it. Finally, number 7, monitoring. After deploying your model, how do you know it's still working correctly? How can you track data and concept drift? Again, doing this might take some time, but do the research, write down your ideas, and bring them up when showing off your project. This is more or less what a full end-to-end machine learning system looks like. If you're looking for a job right now, chances are that you have many of the pieces that you need to pull this off. You need to bring them together, keep things simple, and blow every other candidate out of the water. Wait. If you need an extra push, a little bit more help, watch this video for 3 tips, unconventional tips that will change the way you do things while starting with machine learning. This is it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.